Aloha folks, welcome back to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I got three great penny stocks that you definitely want to put on your watch list. I'm definitely going to definitely put this on my watch list and possibly put on positions this week. As always, please remember that these are penny stocks, so they are volatile. So please make sure you do your homework, do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in these companies. Please remember that this is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about different stocks to invest on, whether it's growth stocks or whether it is dividends, you've found the right channel. I do a lot of these stock reviews of companies that I personally will invest on or put on my watch list for possible investing in the future. So if you want to join me into making money along with our community, so together we can find these great companies to invest on and to build our wealth. Let's take a look at the first one. Ticker symbol is SENS. Company's name is Sensonics. So if you look at their website, you can see from their website they are a company that deals with diabetes. So they have this implantable CGM, which is a glucose monitor. As you can see from their website, you can see this guy wearing that glucose monitor. So basically what happens is that they put this sensor in your skin, which they also link it with this transmitter, and based on that you go to your mobile app, and then from there you can read your glucose. So they have these I think it's a 90-day 90-day one that they use currently right now. So if we look at the revenue of this one, as you can see from their from 2021 to 2025, you can see the revenue that they foresee to go as high as 200 million. So pretty great and interesting. If you look down to this, they have a strategic partnership with a diabetes company called Ascensia, which is a company that's been the leader in BGM for almost 80 years. They have approximately 1 billion in global sales. So what this partner brings is focus only on diabetes, and a commitment to making material investments to commercialize and prioritize research to support Sens. So that's a great partnership in my opinion. Looking further to it, you can see from their presentation the milestones. So currently right now you can see the FDA approvals. So going down you can see some more information, or up. So you can see that this CGM lasts for months versus days. So it achieves about 8.5% of MARD. Now let's take a look at some of the articles about that. So one of the things I found was there has been a direct offering of the common stocks January 17, 2021. So basically, I think they're going to do like a 40 million shares of common stock registered in the purchase of $1.25. So that will probably lower the price or bring it down, which I think, in my opinion, is a good thing. Then we can enter into a better position. Another thing that I found in the articles is 10 things to know before you start investing in this company. So they gave you information that it's a pharmaceutical company. They deal with sensors for patients with diabetes. Patients can go 90 days at a time using the device. They're working on a 180-day version with the CGM, waiting for approval from the FDA. So if you look at to Yahoo Finance, you can see some of the information. The market cap is 388, so it is still small. Here's the 52-week range. If you look at the earnings, you can see 3 misses and 1 beat. Financials, you can see is slightly going up, whereas the revenue is going down. Look at the trends. You can see a bunch of strong buys and a buy. The rating is between a strong buy and a buy. The target right now, the average is 88. It's currently right now is 158. Now, if we look at Webull institutional holdings, you can see 177, 49 increase, 13 new. So decreased of 18 and sold out of 21. So looking at bar chart, you can see their analysis also rated as a moderate buy. 3 months ago, it's still been a buy. If we look now towards the chart, you can see based on the 1 month chart, you can see it's been consolidating for a while and then it just shot up. You can see the volume a little bit higher, whereas the volume was low. MACD, you can see it crossed around somewhere in here. Now it's trending up. You can see the RSI also, but it's going downwards. So hopefully it'll go back up around. That's a quick thing. That's a quick analysis of SEN. So the next one I want to talk about is the other company called Isoray. The ticker symbol is ISR. So again, one of the companies that you definitely want to put on your watch list. This is a company that is working with treatments with cancer. They have this product called Cesium Blue, which is I think 131 is the code. So if we look down to it, you can see cancer treatments with this seed by Isoray. They talked about a higher energy, shortened life, improving coverage for prostate, higher blood biological effective dose. So if you look at it, this Cesium Blue, they talked about 9.7 day half-life, 33 days of 9 days dosage versus the other ones, which you can see is 58. This one is 204. Detachable in the body in 97 days, whereas this is 170, and this one is 600. That one's really long. Now, if we look at bar chart, you can see from their key growth. So if you look, the year return is 147, 3 years is 382, 5 years is 166, 5-year growth is 109. Now, if we look at the ROE, it's negative 58, ROA is 38, negative 38. So looking at the other more charts from bar chart, you can see price analysis is a moderate buy. 3 months ago, it's a strong buy. So now if we look at the chart, you can see I kind of like this chart more because you can see a little bit of up and down progressions. It's hitting the 20 moving average, whereas the 51, so kind of passed this thing a while. Volume is still high. It was higher for a bit and then now it's lower. And if you look at the RSI, I'm in the MACD, it kind of crossed, so we'll see how that goes as well. And the RSI is still staying within these two areas between the 70, 82 and the 25. Now if we look at Webull institutional holdings, you can see 29 institutions are holding this with 3 increase and 3 new. 6 of them sold out, so something for you to think about. So the last one on our list is Gevo, and so this is, I think the ticker symbol is GEVO. So this is a company. It's a renewable chemicals and advanced biofuel. They convert raw materials into isobutane, butanol, and renewable hydrocarbons into existing fuel and chemical products. So I like this company. too. So what they do is they commercialize the next generation of renewable gasoline, jet fuels, diesel fuels. So basically they create a new gasoline that is more friendlier, more sustainable energy, greener fuel basically. So if we look at the chart, you can see market cap is 823. If we look down to the earnings, you can see 2 beats, 2 misses. The revenue is up and down. Earnings are kind of low. Recommend trends, it's between strong buy and buy. Price targets, there's no price targets for this thing right now. If we look at the tip ranks, you can see price targets is $6, so it has hit it with the high of $8.25. Average is 6 and the low of 5, so with a 3% upside. Now if we look at bar chart, you can see it is a strong buy based on 2 analysis. 3 months ago it's been a strong buy. Now if we look at more information on there, if you look at the year growth, 192. 3 years it's a negative 46. 5 years, 5-year return is a negative 96 as well. Return ROE negative 33, ROA negative 26. Now if we look at Webull, you can see based on Webull it is a buy based on 2 analysis. We look down further, you can see 46 institutions hold this, 12 have increased with 19 coming aboard, and 2 have decreased, so nobody has sold out. So I'm definitely going to put a position for all 3 of these companies. Again, when you make a decision to put positions on these companies, you have to understand that it is a volatile stock, and it is a penny stock. So definitely understand that if you are going to put money into this, and money that you're willing to lose, because it is like I said, a penny stock. High risk, high reward, but definitely understand. Always please make sure do your due diligence, and always make sure you do your research. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be safe out there, stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Aloha.